2025 Prelim MGS Paper 1 Booklet B, question 21. The table shows the hourly rate of work done at the call center. Okay, weekdays is $8 per hour, weekends is $10 per hour. Leonard works at the call center for 10 hours daily on weekdays and 5 hours on Saturdays. How much does he earn in a week? Now this is pretty straightforward, so I'm going to do the working in one step, right? 10 hours on weekdays. So 10 hours, how many days are there? How many weekdays are there in a week? 5 days, Monday to Friday. Okay. And how much is each hour of work? That's $8. Alright, this is for weekday. How much does he earn on weekends? He worked for 5 hours on Saturday. Saturday is $10 per hour. Alright, let's solve this. It's 400 plus $50. So he earned $450 in a week.